Good morning dear student. Last class we discussed about the chapter food and health. On that time we discussed about communicable and non-communicable diseases. So what do you mean by communicable diseases? The diseases that may be spread from one person to another. That is the communicable diseases. So hope all of you are reading the reader thoroughly. Otherwise you will forget whatever things we taught in previous classes. So you have to read the reader thoroughly. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the prevention of communicable diseases. How can we control the communicable diseases? Mainly we are using disinfectant. Why we are using this disinfectant is that we have to kill the bacteria and germs present in our surroundings. So already all of you know that these mosquitoes are spreading lot of diseases like malaria. So we are using mosquito repellents to kill the mosquitoes and controlling in the breeding of these mosquitoes. Next, vaccination. So after birth, in frequent interval or in a time period, we are consulting the doctor and we are taking vaccination to prevent certain diseases like diphtheria, tetanus, polio, measles and mumps. Okay, so how can we control all those diseases is that by using vaccination. Vaccinations means frequent time period injections are to be providing to the means kids, or we can say it may begins from after birth. Okay, so you heard about the disease polio. So polio means one person should be completely paralyzed. That condition is to be termed as a polio. So in 1994 it is very severe. So on that time the government introduced some means eradication mission to control the polio, and they invented polio vaccination, and in frequent time period they are provided to the child belongs from 1 to 5 year old. Okay, so today we can say that polio is completely removed from the environment. The next is a personal and environmental cleanliness. So you have to maintain personal hygiene, at the same time you have to clean our surroundings. Why we are cleaning our surroundings? To to control certain diseases. Okay. So next is methods for prevention. So what are the methods? We have to prevent these communicable diseases. Houses should be airy and open. Every time you have to clean your home and it should be airy. And next, a supply of clean and germ-free water. Whenever you are using water, it should be clean. So otherwise some diseases should be spread through this water. So the next is a chlorination method. Mainly we are using chlorination method for purifying large quantities of water. We are adding chlorine to the water to kill certain bacteria and germs present in the water. So I think all of you understood about water purification. Mainly nowadays we are boiling the water at 100 degrees Celsius. That time itself whatever bacteria and germs present in the water will certainly die. So whenever you are drinking water, you have to boil the water, then only you have to drink. Otherwise there may be lot of diseases should become. Okay, like cholera, dysentery, etc. And next we are talking about pasteurization. Pasteurization is very important process. In our daily life we are using milk, isn't it? So lot of milk is required for the human beings. They are taking means tea, coffee. On that time we are adding milk now, and we have to store these milk. How we are storing these or preserving these milk, that we are discussing. So we are using pasteurization technique. So what do you mean by pasteurization? The milk is heated at half an hour. The milk is heated at after half an hour and cooled down quickly. That process is to be termed as a pasteurization, and this kills all bacteria and germs present in the milk. So once again, what do you mean by pasteurization? The milk is heated at a high temperature for at least half an hour and cooled down quickly. This kills harmful bacteria. Okay, so I think all of you understood about the pasteurization process. So today this much only. Have a nice day. And whatever you have doubts, you have to clear in the 5th standard science group itself. Thank you. Have a nice day.